Yeah, on my grind all day, gonna make $1 million selling that someday. You know I'm in the building when I write this way. Put me in the pound when I bite this game.
Good morning, guys. How's it going? It is Friday. Thank Lord. I just closed the door. I'm ready to go. I'm not taking the car today because of reasons. So I'm waiting on my Uber, but it's really close by supposedly. So that's almost done. It's kind of windy out. Or more windy. That was wrong English. But it's pretty windy out here. I just took a shower, so I feel really cold. Like, a lot. I'm trying to... Can I put this here? Or if I put this here? No. My binder. Well, my journal's too big for it. Well, it looks like my Uber's here, so I'll get back to you guys when he drops me off. Hey guys, how's it going? I had to record this clip because it's coming out horizontal and y'all know I'm still tired when I can't even talk right. It comes horizontal in iMovie, which I don't understand because I keep recording in landscape, right? So it keeps recording the items, like my clips, like, okay, I recorded landscape and then it's in horizontal, so I can't really put that in the video because it's one in horizontal, and then all the objects, instead of pointing downwards, is pointing like to the left, basically. So it kind of sucks. It did that to one of my clips. This clip I had to record it, re-record it, do it over because of the same issue with the other clip that I had. So it sucks, but I'm gonna see if I fixed it. Anyways, I'm still in bed. I'm tired. It's 12. I'm hungry. I'm like, oh my god, I can't talk. I'm sorry. I'm trying to finish this vlog because in the beginning it's just a minute, and I was like, that shouldn't be a vlog. I shouldn't upload that. Like, nobody wants to watch that. So, I'm trying to see what I do today because yesterday all I did was literally go to school and then home, and it was really nothing. So, and I think there will be more things to do today. So, since it's Saturday, I might be able to do a little more than what I usually do. But I might double upload today since I didn't upload yesterday and I was supposed to. But this vlog is gonna be for yesterday, and then the next video is gonna be for today. Yeah. Okay. Anyways, how's it going, guys? I hope you guys are having a good day. I didn't say that. No matter what you're going through, you're gonna get over it. I know that some of you guys are gonna be like, oh, you don't understand what I'm going through. Sha-da-da-da-da. I mean, everybody has different problems, and all of us humans know what it feels to be in problems or to feel a certain way that you don't like to feel. We might not have the same issue right now, but you never know. Either we had it before or it might come into us in the future, and in our way our body knows how to react to pain, to sadness, to problems, to stress. It's just, we might not feel the same way at that point, but we surely could hear you out. We surely could be there for you, So you gotta lighten up the mood. You gotta remember that there are people there that care about you. There are people there that are ready to help you. You just need to speak up because nobody could read minds out here, unless you're like freaking awesome, then yeah. But like, if you guys need some help or needs an ear, I got y'all. Just let me know what's going on. But other than that, let's see what we're doing today. I am tired. I look a mess. I want to make this clip short so I don't haunt y'all dreams. Yeah? Okay. How's it going, y'all? I am back, of course, duh. It's like, no. I just got me a sub. Because I'm hungry, from Jerry's, and a Pepsi, because why not? And I am about to crush. I got ready, and I'm going to see what I'm going to do today. It's pretty nice out. It's not even that cold. It's not that cold out, so I might go to the park see what's going on there. And I'm gonna see. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. That's what I meant to say.
Ryan Little.
Yeah.
Let me see.
That's what it is.
Feather. What is this, guys? Comment down below. I want to know. It's like off of one of those trees that are somewhere in the river.
It's what this.
It was where?
What this.
Oh, from that tree over there. I don't know if y'all can see it right there.
What this.
There
That's
you
a
go.
sky right there.
Guys, he is such the cutest thing. Oh my gosh. Watch. You ready?
Yeah.
Go. Oh my god. One more time, Anthony. That is so cute. Oh wow. That guy over there was really nice. He was like, you should take a video. I'm trying to get his face on this one. Go ahead. No, this one, Anthony. Or you want to go down that one? Yeah. Okay, go down that one. Oh, yep. Yeah, see, the wind is crazy right here. You might hear that. You want to go on the monkey bars? walk over it. So yeah, we decided to come here. Well, we decided to go to the park down that way, but there were a lot of kids there too. So I decided to just come here because I know that this park usually is always empty when it's cold because it's the farthest park from that area. Like there's a court there, a basketball court, a tennis court. Usually people come here in the summer because it's away from the crowded area and you have all these fields of football, baseball, and soccer. So usually the sport athletic people come here and their little kids just come and play at this park. That's basically what they usually use it for. So I was like, nobody's really gonna walk all the way that far, especially no one's playing games at this time because it's Saturday and it's kind of cold out here. So they're probably indoor, like soccer dome and the rec center to play basketball and football. I don't know, maybe practice, but that's usually what they do. So we came here and nobody's really here. There's only like a bicyclist, I think that's what they're called, but he went up there somewhere. So it's pretty chill. Nothing too special, nothing too crazy. He's enjoying his time. I just felt like he was bored at home, and I was too. Like, my dad is at work and my mom is probably asleep or something, so I decided to come chill over here. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because we just been cooling at the park and it seems like it's kind of hard to record with people around, especially when they don't really want their child or themselves in video, because it's like you don't see that here a lot. You don't really see people walking with their phone up like this or anything like that. So my hand is getting tired, so oh no, my finger's in the way. I missed my tripod. I really need to buy one. But well, it was a selfie stick. Well, I had a tripod, it broke. That's what I need. But yeah, I'm gonna just end the vlog here. If you guys did enjoy it, please smash that like button. I'm sorry it didn't upload, but I am gonna double upload today, so yay! And I'm gonna go keep pushing it because he's already slow. If you guys did enjoy this video, smash that like button. It really means a lot. If you have any video ideas or tips, comment down below. I read all of them and I want to read what you guys have to say. And if you've never seen my face before, then click that subscribe button to join the journey because we are just starting out. Let's get to 100 subs. I'm trying to get this custom URL because all these numbers and letters are really hard to share. Nobody really wants to click it or type it, so help your girl out. Can we get to 100? Can we get to 100? Please. Anyways, I'll see y'all later and take care. I need that new slang. What was it? I need to eat my food, drink my coffee, and get to class. But since it's Saturday, I need to get up, get productive, and have a good day. That's what I might start saying at the end. I don't know. Let me know if you guys like it. But enough of me talking, and I will see you guys later. Bye!
For that crown, though, I'ma get it now, though. I'ma get it now, though. I'm not slowing down, though. Coming for that crown, though. Crown, though. Been a minute, but a minute now. Killing everybody when they wanna bring me down. And I got it cause I'm all alone in the studio. I don't need nobody trying to play a role. No turnaround time.